And now make some noise for your Nokomis Warriors!
Everyone kind of doubted us a little bit. Everyone's like, all right, they're not going to be this good this year. And we're like, all right, we'll take it as a challenge.
Don't look now, but the Nokomis Warriors are starting to make some noise again in Class A.
We've come up with some big wins. We were obviously not perfect. We got to keep going, but we're definitely on the up.
The reigning state champs had an up and down start to the year, but that was expected.
We have a total new identity. The 5 returning players are great kids. I knew that we were going to be a work in progress.
The elephant in the room, Nokomis is missing 2 huge pieces from the gold ball team last year, so everyone on the team had to learn a new role.
Our starting lineup, we really haven't played a whole lot together, and we were just starting to feel it out at the beginning of the year, and now we're starting to figure it out what each person does.
Everybody's role was not only totally different from last year, but totally different from any role they've ever played on any other team.
We just had to figure out our roles. Our roles last year were obviously a lot different. It was just a lot of fine-tuning, figuring out how to play.
And the way they approached that gives memories of Rick Pitino back in 2000. Flag Twins are not walking through that door.
They're not here, so we have to deal with it. They're not coming back. We know that, so we just have to deal with it and play our own game.
At the front of the pack this year are the Warriors' lone seniors, Madden White and Grady Hartsgrove, who have really embraced their roles as leaders.
Yeah, we do a lot of the talking for the team, have to come out in the huddles. We're the ones that talk. We're kind of the leaders of the team.
And that role comes with a little more responsibility off the court, too.
A lot of rides, we give a lot of rides.
Heading into the final stretch, Nokomis is really putting it together. They fired off 3 wins in a row, and they took unbeaten Brewer to overtime. And for Coach Anderson, he sees a lot more growth outside of the X's and O's, too.
These guys really believe in each other, they trust one another, and they're really starting to come together as a team and really buy into the fact that they're playing for each other. They're not playing for themselves, they're playing for each other.